Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start with the essentials. In this video, I will explain how to play harmonica with guitar. First, select a harmonica in a key that matches your guitar song. For example, if you're playing in G, a C harmonica is often a good choice for cross-harp. Next, secure a harmonica holder around your neck. Adjust it so the harmonica sits comfortably at mouth level, allowing you to switch between instruments seamlessly. This setup is crucial for a smooth performance. Now, let's coordinate your playing. Begin by mastering a few basic harmonica techniques, like drawing and blowing single notes or simple chords. Simultaneously, practice a straightforward guitar strumming pattern. The key is to maintain a consistent rhythm between your guitar hand and your harmonica breathing. Start at a very slow tempo, gradually increasing speed as your coordination improves. This builds a strong foundation. To elevate your performance, try experimenting with different harmonica positions. For instance, playing in second position or cross-harp often provides a bluesier sound. Learn to add bends and vibrato to your harmonica notes for more expression. Focus on seamless transitions between your guitar riffs and harmonica solos. Recording yourself is an excellent way to pinpoint any timing issues or areas where your coordination could be tighter. Finally, let's talk about integrating the harmonica into your songs. Think about where the harmonica can truly enhance the music, perhaps during an intro, an outro, or an instrumental break. Consider the song's mood and how the harmonica can complement it, adding a layer of emotion. Practice playing full songs, moving fluidly between your guitar and harmonica. This holistic approach will make your combined performance sound natural and polished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.